Okay, everybody, I've had some requests for this video, so I'm going to show you how I do a lot of my cooking in the truck really easy. Uh, Today we're going to be making some, it's a keto meal. Clean keto, no. Man, those keto police getting about as bad as vegans. My goodness, no, it's not clean keto. But anyway, let me get back on track here. Today we're going to be making, this is the chop steak, picked it up from Walmart. It's like that, it's like it's cheaper steak, but it's like tenderized and everything like that. They put it through the little tenderizer machine. I get these at the house. You can do this raw and it'll be quicker, but I get these and put them in Ziploc bags, keep my freezer in my truck. Yes, got a freezer truck. I should say my wife's been putting them in my freezer bags for me. So this is the HotLogic Mini right here. This thing is great. Cooks things real slow. Here's the heating plate right here. My wife liked this so much she gets it for her at work. Nothing will burn as long as you have a cover. So this is just a Pyrex. As long as you have a cover for something, it will not burn and you can keep it in there. Now this will be done from the frozen in 2 hours. I like it 3 because everything's a little more tender. So that's what I like to do. I'm going to be trying to do this one hand, which is going to be kind of hard. But first thing you obviously want to do is put your chopped steak in there. And I don't put any salt and pepper on when I first eat it because I cook with some seasoning. But the next thing I'm going to do is, let me try to open this. This is got my cover. Barbecue sauce. It's pretty good. It's only 2 carbs for 2 tablespoons. So that's pretty good. So you don't need much barbecue sauce because it's going to create a little liquid when it's being cooked. Another thing I get from, I'm just cooking here on my tray, are pepper and onion blend, frozen. So I just put them in there. Now you can use any seasoning you want. My wife got me this. She found it. It's just a organizer, and all those packets you get from all those places. You ask for 1 ketchup and they give you 20. You ask for you know what I'm talking. You guys know what I'm talking about. Chinese places you get 100. This is a good way to organize it, keep it going. I try different flavors all the time. One I really like, believe it or not, I do this with thin cut pork chops too. It's going to sound weird. I'll put 2 packs of relish, 1 soy sauce, and 1 taco sauce. I know it's going to sound weird, but that is really good, and it'll be good on the steak meal tier too. But that's really it for now. That's all I do. I put this in here like this. I cover it with my lid. I zip it, and then plug it in. That's all I do. Now I got like mine for 3 hours. It's a little more tender. 2 hours is done, but you can have this in here for 6-8 hours and it will not dry out as long as you have it covered. That's it. I'll show you how I finished the meal in a little bit, and I hope you guys are enjoying this so far, and I'll see you in a little bit. Bye. Okay, it's been about 3 hours, maybe a hair under. Now I'm going to add the second part. I unzipped it since I only had 1 hand. That's all I did. Open it up. There we go. It's looking really good. And this here is, see, you can see it's fork tender right there. What I'm going to do is push it to the side. And all I got here is just a can of green beans. I like these wide green beans, Italian style. I know it's all the placebo effect, but I think these taste better than regular green beans. I know it's in my head. Put these in here. Space them out a little bit. I got some accent. Yeah, I know, MSG. Doesn't affect me, so I'm going to have that. And also I got to... Okay, sorry about the last cutoff. I noticed after I finished that little segment that it cut off early. I apologize. All I did, put pepper on the meal, close it up, and then I plugged it back in. It's been about 20-30 minutes. I don't know. That's all you need. I was just heating the green beans up. Let's take a look at the final product here. There you go. And you got yourself a good meal right here. You got the tender steak, the pepper, the onions, the green beans right there. And if you want to put some more salsa on, you can. But is usually fine with me right here with that there. That's it. That's all there is to the HotLogic Mini right there. The HotLogic Mini is a really good device. Easy to do, especially on the road. You can put it in, drive for a few hours, go down the road, and you're good to go. So that's it. Everybody have a great day. I hope this was informative for you guys. If you want to see anything else in here, let me know.